What is expected family contribution, EFC, for immigrant families? Imagine trying to plan for your child's education in a new country while managing many other financial responsibilities. Understanding how much help you might get can feel confusing, but knowing about the expected family contribution can make a big difference. The expected family contribution is a number used by colleges and the United States federal government to estimate how much money your family can reasonably pay toward college costs in 1 year. This number helps determine if your family qualifies for financial aid like grants, loans, or work-study programs. For immigrant families, the way this number is calculated is the same as for other families. It uses a standard federal formula that looks at your family income, savings, assets, household size, and how many family members are in college at the same time. If your child is considered dependent, the financial details of parents or guardians are used. If your child is independent, which can include some immigrants who meet specific criteria, then only the student's and spouse's income and assets are considered. To qualify for federal aid, immigrant students need to have the right legal status, like permanent residency or eligible non-citizen status. Undocumented immigrants usually cannot get federal aid but might qualify for some state or school-based aid depending on local rules. The calculation considers income earned in the United States and sometimes abroad, but only if it has been reported on U.S. tax returns. It looks at wages, interest, dividends, and benefits like Social Security. Income earned outside the United States is generally not included unless it has been converted and reported in U.S. taxes. The formula also accounts for household size and how many family members are in college at the same time. Larger families or multiple students in college can lower the EFC, which might make your family eligible for more aid. It's important to remember that the EFC is not the amount your family must pay. Instead, it is used by schools to figure out how much financial aid you can get. The actual costs of college and the aid packages you receive will vary by school. For immigrant families, understanding the EFC can help with planning and budgeting for education costs. To do this well, gather all necessary documents like tax returns and asset statements early. Be aware that the formula might not fully reflect your financial situation, especially if you have extra expenses like sending money back home or visa fees. Some colleges also use additional forms like the CSS Profile to determine their own version of financial need, which might offer more aid options. Remember to fill out the free application for federal student aid each year, as your EFC and aid eligibility can change based on your updated financial information. Building good credit and managing money carefully in your new country can also help improve your financial stability, which can influence future aid opportunities. In short, the expected family contribution for immigrant families is a standard way to estimate how much your family can contribute toward college costs. Knowing this helps you plan better, find additional aid options, and prepare for the financial responsibilities of higher education. It's a key part of your overall financial planning and future goals, especially when balancing other expenses like visa costs and sending money home.